Are you making money with digital real estate? No?
Ever heard of digital real estate? It sounds like a lucrative business, I know, because it is. In fact, you can make approximately $1,000 plus a month if you know how to get it right. Want to know how this works? Digital real estate refers to any property on the internet. It might include owning a website, starting a social media account, and many more. As with tangible assets, digital ownership is the key to long-term wealth building in the digital space. Ownership of these assets can be an excellent way to make money in the new digital era. No, it doesn't involve renting out properties to people online, or selling houses, or being a broker. You won't believe it, but it's super easy. Even beginners can do this online. We are having a masterclass to tell you more about how this business works, and you don't need any experience or a huge investment to start doing it. We have a special guest with an insane online marketing experience who has taught people how to make $12,000 for every 2 hours of work. And he is an expert in the digital real estate industry. You won't believe how much he has earned online. Will you join me for this huge reveal?